What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page at the top edge of the nose. We're going to start on the left, let's add a curve, going up in the middle and then back down. Let's go back over toward the left side, curve the bottom of the nose, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to add a small highlight oval on the top of the nose, so we're going to go around and back in toward the top, and then we'll fill the bottom area of the nose in black. For the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down the center of the muzzle, and it'll add two curves on either side. Start from that center line, then it's down and then up toward the left, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now going to the side of the nose, we're going to draw the top of the muzzle. We're going to go around, down, and then in toward the bottom. Let's add two large teeth in the center. Then you gap in the middle, draw two lines coming down, go across the bottom, and then back up. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw two circles for the eyes tucked in behind the muzzle. Let's start from the side of the nose, and go all the way around the eye, down, and then in. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around for the same height, and then that in. Let's draw two smaller circles for the eyeballs, but we're going to push it towards the inside. So start on the left, all the way around, down, and then in. And we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Let's draw two smaller circles on the inside of the iris. And then a small black dot in the center in the pupils. Let's add the eyebrows, starting on top of the left eye, and then up, and then down, line it up on the right. Let's go back to the outside, we're going to go up high in the middle, and pull that down on the inside. And it'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's go back and add some spots across the muzzle. Start from the top with one point, come down the side, and then we'll add one more on the inside. Now I move down and draw the lower jaw. Let's start on the left side, then it's down in the middle, and then back up. Let's round out the side, and round it in like a bracket, and then we'll close off the bottom with another curve. Now on the side, let's draw two straight lines coming down. Let's go back to the center, draw the teeth, draw a straight line going across, and come down the sides. And then we'll separate the teeth with one line in the middle, and one more on either side. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I move out to the side and bump out the cheeks. From the outside left eye, let's step out. So we curve the cheek, going out, and down toward the side, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, around, and then in. And then we're going to connect the top of the cheeks with a curve for the head. Let's start back on the left, going up, round out the head, go across, and then bring that down on the right. Let's place the hat on top of the head. We'll start with two straight lines going up the side of the hat brim. Connect the top with a curve. From the top corners of the hat brim, let's step in, draw two straight lines going up toward the top of the hat, and we'll round out the top. Let's step back down and add a trim. Let's add the ears along the side. On the left side, we draw a straight angled line just along the outside of the head, and we'll line that up on the right. Go back up to the top, just going to curve around the ear, down, and then in. Almost like a half oval. Let's connect the ears to the head with 2 straight angled lines. And then we'll finish off by tracing the inside of the ears, starting across the bottom, and then the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Freddy Fazbear from 5 Nights at Freddy's. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.